Hi, I'm Wilf. Now I wonder, who is Margaret Hamilton? Now, she was a programmer, and programmers are important because they make computers and mobile phones work. And I am actually learning how to code. I like programming or coding because it's fun. I like being able to manipulate a game that I play called Minecraft, and I like creating mods in it. And Margaret Hamilton was a programmer just like me, and she was the head of programming in NASA and helped program lots of the Apollo missions. And she programmed a computer that NASA used in Apollo 11, which has 1/millionth the power of a mobile phone. Whoops. Now, Apollo 11 is the spacecraft that got people to the moon. And while Margaret Hamilton worked at NASA, she liked to bring her daughter to work. So her name was Lauren, and she was testing the simulation of the spacecraft. And one time she started playing the simulation, and she flicked a lever that made all the data for the moon landing get deleted, and her shuttle crashed into the moon. Margaret Hamilton thought this might happen in real life, I better consult NASA. So she did consult NASA, but NASA said the men were too well trained to make the same mistake as her daughter. So it just so happened that on Apollo 8, one of the men did just that. And the shuttle malfunctioned and started not doing anything because all the data on getting to the moon was deleted. Margaret had prepared for this, and after that, NASA let Margaret Hamilton fix the code in case it malfunctioned when they were sending men, hopefully a woman as well, to the moon. She is quite well known, and the Lego companies have even made a Lego set about her that I have. Sadly, my little brother chewed my one. So Margaret Hamilton helped us get to the moon, saved 3 men's lives, and got a bit chewed by my baby brother, but aside that, she's a cool programming hero.